Hello guys, in this one we're going to part our hair into 3 sections and roll down the 2 sections. Then we're going to make a bun and secure it with a pair of bobby pins. Then we're going to use the rest of the hairs and pin it with the beautiful flower pin, and it looks very beautiful. In the next one, again we're going to make a low ponytail, and then we're going to add a rubber band in the rest and then zip it up with another pin. Again we're using this 3 clip, and then we're going to use some section of our hair from the front, and then we're going to click it with our pins, and with this looks super pretty. In this one we're going to make high ponytail, and then we're going to use this clip to make our bun look super elegant and very fresh. This looks very pretty. In the next one, again we're going to use a pin, and then we're going to pin it up with another hairs, and then we're going to roll the another section of hairs, and then we're going to braid down, roll it over, secure it with some bobby pins, and here we are. In the next one we're going to use a tool, and then we're going to make a low ponytail into this high bun fluffy hairstyle. This looks very fluffy and very elegant to parties. In the next one, again we're going to make a ponytail, but this time high above ponytail, and then roll it over just as it's shown in the video. Then we're going to use a clip to make it look very pretty. In the next one, we're going to make a half tie. Then we're going to click it up with some another pin with the 3 pins over. Then we're going to use different section of our hairs and roll them over just as shown in the video. Tie them together, and then we're going to clip it with fluffy bun. Thank you everyone for watching.